In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we are unable to send you an SMS message at this time. Try signing in another way or verify using Amazon Shopping app. So if you are experiencing this error on your Amazon Shopping app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so this error mostly happens if automatically you are trying to sign in with a passkey but you are unable. To fix this, you can use another way, such as verify using your WhatsApp. That is, if SMS method has failed completely. But in case you have not linked this on WhatsApp, or you're not using WhatsApp at the moment and you wish to log into your account, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. For that, you need to troubleshoot your app and try logging in again. To do that, you need to go to your Amazon Shopping app info page, and you can do that by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info. Alternatively, you can also access Amazon Shopping app info page by going to settings, and then from settings look for apps, and here go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have on your phone. Now from the list, look for your Amazon Shopping app and then go to force stop the app, because the background activities might be the reason you are experiencing this. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK, and again clear all data. So if you clear all data, you will need to restart your smartphone once you are done and go to your app. For this, you will need to log in now afresh. And at this point now you should be able to log in without any issue. But should you still be unable to log in, then check if you are connected to a VPN, turn it off, as this might be the reason you have this challenge. So let me know which of this method was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.